Okay guys, today is gonna be a father and son adventure, fishing adventure, right?
Yeah,
What are we gonna catch? Some trout today.
fish.
Yeah, some fish. Hopefully we can get some. Found it.
Hey guys, we're gonna go to the lake to go fishing.
Hopefully we catch something today.
Yeah, cause last time I got 2 fishes when I was 4, I think 5,
Yeah. And now how old are you now?
6.
Yeah. It's not working? Oh, there we go.
Could we go anywhere with
Yeah,
this?
keep going. There's so much lily pads today, huh?
Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Is that the fastest?
Yeah.
There might be a lot of lily pads. Press back, then forward. There we go. Keep on, keep on. Alright guys, we are off. This is a small lake nearby. We're gonna do some trout fishing, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully we can catch some today. So we'll see.
This pond is empty.
Yeah, no one is here today, huh?
Yeah.
Look at all the grass and the green
Yeah,
stuff
I
growing.
never seen no one here. Dragonfly.
Oh, the dragonflies, huh?
Yeah. I love dragonflies. Oh, I just saw one in the pond.
All we're using today is power bait.
We go fishing
A little bit on there.
We go fishing every year.
Huh?
We go fishing every year and month.
Okay, go forward.
I might hit that house.
No,
I
you're not.
think.
And then we put this right here. Where did you park the second one? Keep going. The little ducky right there.
Oh yeah. Ducky. Hi, Ducky.
Cute little ducky, huh?
Yeah.
He's looking for some fish too to eat.
Yeah. Can I put my
Yeah, you can relax. Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
What you doing?
In the beach. I mean in the lake
Fishing.
fishing.
Say hi.
Wait, stop.
There's one on there. Grab it. Pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up. Come on, pick it up. There, reel it. Stand up. Is it still on there? Let's see. Yep, it's there.
It's so heavy.
Heavy? It's pulling, huh? Pulling. Ooh. Bring it in. Good job. Woohoo! Mateo's first fish. Sit down.
That I ever
Yeah,
caught.
put it back. Yep. Good job. No, you caught some before.
No, it's my first time getting in July.
Yeah.
And then this?
Yeah, hold it.
Okay.
Slippery.
Here's our fish.
Here's our fish, guys. We caught one. Super slippery, huh?
Yeah. Have to hold in these.
Huh?
I have to hold in these sides.
Alright guys, we've been here for
10 hours.
no, like 30 minutes. We caught one trout, so
We already showed the trout.
yeah, we might stay a little bit longer and head back in, huh?
Yeah.
Go home and eat some food.
And also go to a playground.
Yeah, maybe go to a playground too, huh? Hey, there's another kid playing over there.